Assalamualaikum and a very good day to everybody. I am Muhammad Rashdan from Group 1 and with all my fellow group members. Today, I would like to present about global warming. Next. Okay, firstly, for the definition, what is global warming? So, global warming is the unusual rapid increase in Earth's average surface temperature over the past century. For example, as we know, in 2009, there are 1.17 increasing of the average temperature in the Earth's surface area. So that what we call as a global warming. And why and how it happens? Primarily due to the greenhouse gases released by people burning fossil fuel. From this process, the greenhouses and carbon dioxide are trapped inside the atmosphere and will absorb the sun radiation and bounce to the surface of the earth. So that's why the temperature is increasing. Next.
Okay, so hello everyone. So next I'm going to explain the causes of global warming. So global warming are divided into two categories, natural and man-made or human influences. The climate has continuously changing, happens because the natural rotation of the sun that changes the intermittent of sunlight and moving closer to the earth. And other natural causes are greenhouse gases and volcanic eruption. While from human activity, so human activity affect more than natural causes, mostly because of modern lifestyles of human, such as deforestation, use of vehicles, industrial development, agricultures, and overpopulation.
Okay, so next is the first challenge to overcome the global warming is the modern living lifestyle nowadays. In Malaysia, our everyday contemporary comforts such as power and transport rely largely on traditional fossil fuels. So when fossil fuels are used, they emit significant volumes of carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas, into the atmosphere. Greenhouse gas is trapped heat in our atmosphere, contributes to global warming. Furthermore, the air conditioners require a lot of power too, and the fluorocarbons used as refrigerants destroy the ozone layer and contribute to global warming. So as a result, a rising demand for air conditioners will have an increasingly substantial influence on climate change. So because fossil fuels are readily available, they are widely employed. Although we have seen the cost of solar and electric car cables fall dramatically, these are still expensive alternatives. The cost of electricity and petrol produced by the combustion of fossil fuels is relatively more inexpensive. Thus, the current situation is difficult to make changes that people are satisfied with the convenience of consuming fossil fuels to generate energy and the electrical appliance that bring benefits to the humans. Next.
Hello everyone. I will proceed to the next slide, which is about the second challenges, which is uncontrolled urbanization. Uncontrolled urbanization is one of the challenges because irresponsible parties were cutting trees for industrialization, residential area infrastructure, and also transportation development. As we know, forests and trees are store carbon. When they were completely clear, for example, by fire, this situation will lead to deforestation and also of burning. As a result, this stored carbon has the potential to be released back into the atmosphere as carbon dioxide, and it will contribute to climate change and also as and also global warming. So next.
Right. Thank you, Aisha. So next, the third challenges is the lack of the awareness from the public. So public, for some people, knowledge. For some people don't have a knowledge about the global warming, what the causes of the global warming. So they don't take any action to prevent from avoid to increase the gases that can cause the global warming, that can trap the gases on the earth. So for example, that public still use the technology that produce greenhouse gases. For example, air conditioner, fossil fuel car, and so on. Right. So next.
So about the challenge four is about the global warming due to the number of population. The increasing world's population has seriously threatened the balance between natural ecosystem. The increase in atmospheric carbon dioxide emissions is a root cause of global warming. According to survey results, the United States, China, Russia, and Japan account for almost half of the world's CO2 emissions. The increase in population will lead to an increase in the amount of CO2 in the atmosphere, and the resulting CO2 greenhouse effect will have a direct impact on climate change on the Earth's surface.
Okay, that's also from our group. Thank you.